Hello everyone, welcome back to eBird English Lessons. Today I am going to teach you the question words. Basically I hope to discuss 6 basic question words and their usage. First, let's refer those 6 basic question words. They are what, where, who, why, when and how. The question word what gives the idea that we are asking about a person or a thing. And the next question word where refers the idea that we are asking about a place, a particular place. And the next question word who refers the idea that we are asking about a person or a living being. And the next question word why. It refers the idea that we are seeking a reason. We want to know a reason. And the next question word when. When suggests the idea that we are asking about time. And the last question word how refers the idea that we want to know the manner of a particular subject. Now I am going to teach you how to put these question words with be verbs followed by a complement. As you see on the screen, first we have to put these question words at the beginning of the sentence. Let's read out. These question words what, where, who, why, when, how should be kept at the beginning of the sentence. Then we have to put am is according to the subject. Then the subject and the complement. At the end of the sentence you can put a question mark. Now let's do a very small activity. In this activity what you have to do is you have to make questions by using these question words. Let's read out and try to do it yourself first. Now let's check your answers. First one, how is your sister? She is very well. Where are the children? They are at home. What is his name? He is John. Why are you angry? No, I am not. When is Christmas? 25th of December. I hope that you have learned something about these question words and their usage. Then we will meet soon. Goodbye.